What's the meaning of animated cartoon? Animated cartoon. Animated cartoon. Animated cartoon. Animated cartoon. Animated cartoon.
An animated cartoon is a type of film that is created using sequential drawings or computer-generated images. It can be a short or feature-length film, and it often features colorful characters, imaginative settings, and humorous storylines. Animated cartoons can be enjoyed by people of all ages and have become a popular form of entertainment around the world. They can also be used for educational purposes, such as teaching children about important concepts and values. Overall, animated cartoons are a fun way to experience storytelling through the use of animation and creativity.